You are going to love the 2025 Wrangler 4xe. The Jeep Wrangler 4xe provides unlimited flexibility and, most importantly, fun. It also offers the efficiency of a hybrid vehicle, but still allows the full capacity you've come to expect from a Wrangler. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, turbocharged, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, stability control, tire pressure monitor, convertible soft top, four-wheel disc brakes, driver illuminated vanity mirror, privacy glass. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.